Let's take a look at the rocking attack. And the two most common tools used in the rocking attack are the ripple pick, which you see there on top. And that's really not a very common pick. By far the most common pick used in the rocking attack is the one on the bottom. It's called the L rake or the city rake. And they call it the city rake because it kind of looks like the outline of a city from a distance, different height buildings. You know, I didn't name it, I'm just telling you about it. The way we're going to use this, we're going to insert the pick into the lock while we're maintaining light tension, and then we're gonna rock it, hence the name. We're gonna basically use it as our finger as the pivot point, and we're gonna kind of move it up and down. Now we've got different cut heights on this pick, and we're gonna give them a chance to do their job and to push those pins up to the correct height. Now if it doesn't work very quickly, you can slide it out a notch or in a notch, kind of move it back and forth. Maybe it's a higher cut pin or a lower cut pin, and we're going to give the higher or lower cut a chance to work. So here we go. I'm going to insert that in there. Very light tension, just like all of the other raking attacks, and then just rock him up and down and give that bitting a chance to do its job. If it doesn't work very quickly, just do like I did, slide him in or out just a little bit, and very quickly you're going to find yourself rocked into this 6-pin lock using the L rake or the city rake. It's a great attack against almost all locks with no security pins, and it's very, very effective against 4-pin locks like master lock. So there you go, the rocking attack. Thanks, guys.